I want to take a minute and talk about how I teach a horse to work a gait. We're going to be showing this horse in Ranch Trail, and we've been working all the trail obstacles, and I've worked a gait with him, but we have a show coming up in 2 weeks. He needs a little bit of practice, and we need to talk about what we do here. When you're teaching a horse to work the gait, what you need to remember is 75% of what that horse needs to learn is that he has to stand parallel to the gate in order to go through it. He knows that's gate, and he knows he goes through the gate this way, not standing this way. So the horse naturally wants to turn in like they would normally go through a gate. So you want to spend a lot of time standing here parallel to the gate, take a step forward, take a step back. He knows the end of the gate's there. The horses aren't dumb. They know where gates are, they know where the end is. He knows to go through this gate, he has to turn that way. And he knows when, we're not going to play with the cone. He knows when this gate opens, he's supposed to go through. I'm going to take what he naturally wants to do to go through the gate. I'm going to use that to my advantage. Right now he's more interested in that cone. I stand here a lot and move the gate back and forth, because what I don't want is, as soon as the gate moves, him to turn like he's going to go through it. I'm not going to do a whole lot of punishing here. I'm not going to do a lot of spurt. I'm not going to do a lot of pulling. I did just back him up, but I'm never going to scold him here, because I want here to be where he wants to be. If I make this a bad place to be, if I make it not a nice place to be, he's not going to want to be here. But this is where I want him, so I'm going to make it a nice place to be. Now what we're going to do is break down these parts very small. Now he's looking at the gate. I wanted to stop there and hold the gate, because I don't want him pushing the gate around. Move it around, and I want his feet to get still. Now what I'm going to do is pull the gate open and ask him to side pass and step around to the end of the gate and stop there. Kind of all in one motion. And stop there. Now if I let go of the gate when I'm showing, it's a penalty. But when I'm teaching, I'll let go of it a good bit, because we're going to stand here a lot. I don't want him to rush through the gate. I want him to learn each one of these places is places where he gets to stand and he gets to rest. We're not going to rush through the gate. The object of teaching the horse to work the gate is not to get through the gate. The object is to teach him that this is a nice place to stand. So I'm going to open the gate a little bit more, and we're going to step around to the other side of it. I'll use my left leg and my left rein to step him around and open the gate. And we're going to stand right here next to the gate. All right, go ahead and bring the camera around to the other side. Now we're going to stand here next to the gate. We're not going to be in any hurry. This is the barn, his stall's in there, his food, everything that he wants is in there. But I want him to want to stand here. So we're going to teach him that this is a nice place to be. If he would get restless and want to go in the barn or want to do someplace else, I would take him to where he wanted to go, work some circles, and then come back and stand right here. Nope, wait here. Wait here. That's what I'm teaching him, is wait here. There just happens to be a gate there. The goal is wait here. Now let's take a step forward and wait here. There we go. Wait here. Good boy. Now, like I said, if I let go of the gate when I'm showing, it's a penalty. But I'm going to reward him here while we're working this gate, while we're practicing. Wait here. That needs to be your motto every time you teach a horse to work a gate. It's not the gate, it's wait here. Don't push on it. If he was to turn his head and push on it, I'm going to take the gate and just kind of bump him back in the nose, just so it's not a pleasant experience. I don't want to hurt him. I just don't want him to do it again. So we're going to show him that that is not the right answer. So we're going to need to take another step forward so that I can shut the gate. So as we take a step forward here, I'll put a little bit of contact with, nope, wait here. I'll back him back up. Wait here. There. Wait here. Now, I'll put a little bit of contact in the hip to push his hip over so that I can close the gate. Wait here. There we go. Good boy. I'd rather you not put your head over there. Good boy. Good boy. Now we'll need to back up so that we can latch the gate, because we'll have to latch it at a show. When I'm showing, I'm not going to let go of the gate. But at this point, I want to show him what correct is. So I'm going to set him up for every opportunity. And you notice he's in a snaffle bit. We're going to set up every opportunity to do it correct. Now wait here again. Good boy. One more step back. And wait here. Good boy. So if this was a gate with a latch, I'd be able to, it's got a chain, I could reach down and clip it. But the point isn't to work the gate. The point is to teach him wait here. If you're working with your horse wanting to work a gate, the gate is just a prop. The goal of what you're wanting to teach is wait here. You teach wait here, the gate's easy. So this is Trigger. I'll put a link up here to the other videos that I've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.